today I'm going to show you the walkthrough of my new project, and it's a guest design team project for Shelly Geigel for GNS Hobbies and Crafts. So please join me. Okay, so let's dig in. Alright, so it's a wedding album, and the size, let me first tell you the size, is a little 9 by a little 10.5, so let's say 9 by 10. And the spine is 3 inches, and for those in centimeters, that's 23 by 26 by, well, let's say 8 centimeters. So it's quite huge, but that has a reason, because yeah, a wedding album, we need to put photos in there. Of course, that is all about for a wedding album. So I thought this was a good size to add the pictures in. So let's see. Let me first introduce you the front. And I used this nice paper to cut out. I glued a nice crown, a silver crown on the top. Used a little bow, used all the laces and the bling bling. And I used the flowers. I put some gesso on the flowers, so the brightness of the colors were a little too bright. So I calmed them down. Love it. And I used the black edge a little to pop up the papers a little bit more. And then this is the side. And the back. And on the back you still can add a nice picture in here. I will leave this so the person who gets this see that you can put a nice photo in here. Alright, so it's pretty heavy. I used all my 25 sheets white. Even more, I had to adjust some of my own with it. And I used 2 packs of the Mintay papers, Marry Me, but you will see all the stuff that I used in the haul that I put 2 weeks ago on my YouTube channel. So check that out. Check the haul from GS Hobbies and Crafts for what all products that I used, and all the links below are in the description box below. So all the links there, you can find what I used. Alright, so let's open this up. Okay, let's open this big album up. Alright, at the front I made a big pocket because I love having big pockets, so she can add loads of big pictures, small pictures, envelopes, invitations, everything she can put in here. So it's a nice expandable pocket. I made from the leftover pieces a nice booklet, smaller booklets, you can write something down. A nice tag, but it's not completely glued down, so you still can add a nice picture on the back, on the front and back, of course. So that is the front. Very easy, but I love it. It's very functional. Then we go to the first page, and this you can remove and put a photo in. I'm not going to do that right now because I made a nice image, but you can remove this. You can still add your photo in here. Then we have a swing tab. I use these 2 crystal buttons. Then you flip this up, and there you have once more a nice tuck spot where you can add a photo. And then we have a nice big pocket. And this is a booklet. And a nice little tag where you still can add your photos. And I used this time some nice silver edge to give it some nice touch. Alright, now we close this down, and then this goes, I have to see, this goes to the left, and then we have a nice belly band with 2 tags. Very simple, but I love it. Then we have here a flip up tag. Is glued down, so you can write something down or add 2 photos on here. And then this go to the right. Here I kept it plain. You still can add a nice picture right here. And then we have a pocket where is the same tag as we did just on the front, and a nice little one to tuck behind it. Alright, and then this closes all down magnetic. Now we have 3 pages, and in each page there is a large booklet. I did not put anything on because I think this is a very, very good idea to collage your photos on the front, inside and the back. So then if you are done with your pictures, then it will be thick enough. So that is why I did not add any design paper on. And of course I have to admit there weren't any left. Alright, so that is in each pocket, 1, 2, 3, a big, clean, plain insert booklet. Alright, so let's go to the next page. The next 2 pages are similar. I love that. It's very clean, very plain. And so let's dig in. So on the first one we have a pocket with 2 little tags. You see my leftover pieces I used. Then you flip this up off to the side, and then you have lots of places for little photos, or you can write something down. And then this flips to the left, and then a nice big image. And here we have a nice protection, nice photo mat, front and back. And then this is the same, of course, big pocket where you can add loads of things in there. And then this is of course exactly the same. One big tag and a sewing tab that goes to the left. A little tuck spot right here. Nice place for little photos. You even can put a nice little photo right there. Sewing tab goes back, and then this opens up, and here we have 2 tags with some photo protection on. Here we go. Very simple but very effective. Then we go to the next page. The next page again, I choose for 2 the same ones. So first we have a nice belly band, and I believe this is a booklet and it's upside down. Alright, okay, that's not nice, but alright. That's a mistake. Well, it's just a booklet that goes to the right. Alright, so that's the belly band on here, and we have a belly band on here too, and this one opens up correctly. Perfect. Yes. Then this opens up, each same thing, and this opens to the left, and here we have again a nice 2 pockets with photo mats, and then we have created 2 little booklets that flips open, and you can write something down, or you can add 2 little pictures on here. This closes down, and this of course is exactly the same. 2 nice tags, and these flips open too. Very effective. I love it. And then we go to, oh, this is the page. This is the page. Alright, so this first page, the last page, 2 tags in here. Nice decoration on the pocket. Then we have again this closure. This opens up to the top. A nice tuck spot right here behind it for a nice photo at the back, at the top right here. And then in here there are 2 big tags. You can see my papers were left. You can add this behind it. Then this closes back. Then this goes to this side. And here I added 2 big pockets. And this I kept it plain so she can add loads of photos on it. And same thing on here. 2 nice big photo mats with some nice little tags where you still can add pictures on. And you still can add a nice picture right here. Love it. Alright, and then one time it goes like this. Here is again a belly band where I use my final last pieces of paper. Nice patchwork, marry me. Inside I kept it plain. And then here is a little tuck spot, so you can still add your pictures in here, or you can glue something down. And then this closes back. And then the last pocket is again a very nice, thick, expandable pocket where you can add loads of things in here. And here I created for my last pages the a big booklet and a nice tag. And then in here we have a little pocket. Could not resist to use it all. And yeah, that's it. A lot and lots and lots of places where you can add the most beautiful photos of your wedding. I love how it turns out, so don't forget that we have those inserts in here, 3 big ones, where you can add loads of pictures in. So that was this for my guest design team project. Thank you so much for watching. Please check the description box below for all the links to G&S Hobbies and Crafts website, where you can find all the links that I used. All the punches, all the decoration, the papers, the flowers, everything you will be found there because I use it all. Okay, so thank you so much. Give me a big thumbs up if you like this video, and yeah, I apologize that we started with the tutorials and then the walkthrough, but I had to do it. But yeah, I already explained that in tutorial 1 why. Alright, so stay safe everybody, and I hope this will be soon, very very soon, that this will be over, this terrible time. And yeah, that is, stay safe guys, please do. And till next time, bye bye.